The best FX online forex capital market, FXCM, currency trading, stock trading platform for beginners UK. FXCM, also known as Forex Capital Markets, is a retail foreign exchange broker, now run from London after being banned from United States markets for defrauding its customers. Its parent company, Global Brokerage, Incorporated, filed for bankruptcy on December 11, 2017. FXCM allows retail clients to speculate on the foreign exchange market and provides trading in contract for difference, CFDs, on major indices and commodities such as gold and crude oil. Its shareholders have lost 98% of their investment since January 2015. On February 6, 2017, the firm agreed to pay a $7 million penalty to settle a suit from the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, involving fraudulent misrepresentation by FXCM to its customers and to regulators. FXCM withdrew its CFTC registration and agreed not to re-register in the future, effectively banning it from trading in the United States. 3 top managers have resigned under regulatory pressure, and the majority owner of the firm has changed its name to Global Brokerage Incorporated, effective January 27, 2017. Non-U.S. regulators are also investigating the same or similar incidents, though the board of FXCM UK has stated that it does not expect to be sanctioned by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. A managing director of Leucadia National Corp, which holds a 49.9% equity stake in the operating company, has been appointed chairman of the FXCM board. Its U.S. accounts were sold to gain capital. About 40,000 customer accounts were sold at about $375 each. Corporate structure: the parent company, Global Brokerage Incorporated, formerly called FXCM Incorporated, is publicly traded on Nasdaq, though it has received a delisting warning. Global Brokerage owns a 74.5% interest in Global Brokerage Holdings, which owns 50.1% of FXCM. Leucadia National Corp owns the other 49.9%, plus debt worth $123 million as of March 31, 2017. FXCM owns all the operating companies including FXCM UK. Leucadia does not own any shares in Global Brokerage. Ken Grossman is CEO of Global Brokerage. Drew Niv, who had earlier resigned the position, was interim chief executive officer of Global Brokerage until about May 15, 2017. Grossman has an unusual contract that will pay him $600,000 in base salary plus a bonus of $1 million if he stays in the position for a full year, but his tenure will terminate in 1 year. At FXCM, Brandon Callan is the CEO and Jimmy Halak of Leucadia is chairman of the board. COO David Sakai receives base compensation of $600,000 per year plus a $1 million bonus. Edward Yuzhapov, the head dealer, receives a $600,000 base pay. Global Brokerage Incorporated had a market capitalization of about $12 million in May 2017. Cash generated by FXCM is first applied to pay off the debt owned by Leucadia, which may force a sale of FXCM in January 2018 if the debt is not paid. FXCM owns about 34.5% of the ECN Fast Match, which is in the process of being sold to the Euronext exchange for $153 million. FXCM may realize about $55.6 million on the sale. The deal is expected to close in the third quarter of 2017. At least 3 sets of lawsuits have been filed against the parent firm, Global Brokerage Incorporated. Shareholders contend that they were misled by the company's initial public offering prospectus or otherwise defrauded by management. Former customers contend that they were defrauded by the claim that they were trading on a no-dealing desk system. In the UK, Daniela Shurbanova has filed a suit claiming that trades that resulted in $460,000 in profits for her were simply cancelled. FXCM says that the trades were cancelled because the prices they quoted were changed more slowly than actual market prices, and that Share Minerva was trading to take advantage of the price discrepancies. FXCM reported negative earnings of $28.2 million for the quarter ending March 1, 2017 and held $141.7 million in cash. They owe $121 million to Leucadia, Global Brokerage, another $163 million to convertible note holders. The market capitalization of Global Brokerage, Incorporated, known as FXCM, Incorporated until 2017, fell by 90% in 2015 and an additional 58% in 2016. On February 7, 2017 it fell by another 50% with the stock price ending at $3.45. The share price continued to drop to $2 on May 25, 2017 with a market capitalization of about $12 million, before Global Brokerage declared their intention to seek bankruptcy protection in November 2017. Its shares were trading at about $1.30, and then fell another 27% to 95 cents by November 22. For more free videos, subscribe our YouTube channel Forex Trading, Mr. K. Thanks for watching.